The Air Jordan 1 Low V3 Brown Kelp is shaping up to be one of Jordan Brand's most unique releases for spring 2026, giving sneaker fans a fresh experimental twist on the classic AJ1 Low. This new method of make version takes the silhouette in a bold direction with layered materials, a deconstructed design language, and a futuristic aesthetic that separates it from traditional retro pairs. The earthy brown kelp colorway mixes muted olive leather with textured mesh, while coral orange laces add striking contrast. The highlight is the oversized iridescent TPU swoosh that shifts color under light, paired with molded TPU details around the heel and forefoot for added structure. Even with all these modern upgrades, the shoe keeps the familiar AJ1 Low tooling for that classic feel. Expect the Air Jordan 1 Low V3 Brown Kelp to drop in spring 2026 via Nike.com and select retailers.